How to fix Bosch dishwasher error E92-40. So this usually means the dishwasher filters are dirty, soiled, or blocked. In their manuals or the guide, it appears when the filters are soiled, but we've already mentioned that. So to fix it is to clean the filters. So you can turn off the dishwasher and unplug it, then switch it off at the breaker to really make sure. Then you can open the dishwasher and remove the bottom rack. So make sure everything is at least taken out so you won't have a hard time doing this. Anyways, what you're gonna do now is to twist and lift out the filter. So it's gonna be at the bottom of the dishwasher itself. It's gonna look something like this. Go ahead and twist and lift it out the filter, and then you're gonna wash the filter under running water using mild soap, and then use a soft brush to remove food, grease, and debris. So once that's done, you can check the filter area around the drain pump cover for debris, then reinstall the filter properly. Then once you've done that, you can go ahead and try restarting the dishwasher and then run a short cycle to see if you still get this error. So that's pretty much one option you can try if you're getting this error. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.